Baymax is wanting to get his toys. I just bought him. He ripped a hole in them, and I don't want him to have them because he likes to tear the stuffing out. And this was a nice toy I bought him, and he ripped it open. Disappointed in him. It was a Kong toy. As you can see, he ripped the nose open. Baymax, you can't have it, buddy. Ripped it open. That was a nice toy. Nope. He's been whining, looking up at the bookshelf, thinking I'm gonna give it to him. Nope. That's a regular occurrence at the house. What are you looking at me for? I'm not giving it to you. You ripped it open. You cannot have it. You can keep looking up there. You're not getting it. You shouldn't have ripped it open. Both of them. I might let you have it.
Don't forget to
No.
check, don't you?
There's no toy under there either. Keep looking. The toys are not just going to magically fall down. Come here. He gets mad at me too when I take the toys away. He won't come to me. He'll just keep a distance like this and in hopes that I'll give him what he wants. And he'll start crying too if I don't. He's so spoiled. Baymax. We just took him to the groomer last week, and ever since he got back, he's been itching like that. Uh-oh, he just saw a dog on the TV. Come here. Come here. Say bye. Say bye.